Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Diet and exercise are important to any weight loss plan. But do you know there are practical and natural ways to lose weight? Come join me as I count down 12 hacks to lose weight. Your easy and simple weight loss tips, no diet, no exercise needed.
Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
Make one food sacrifice. Cut down one food indulgence. Could be fried chicken, lechon, chicken adobo, pork sinigang, pizza, spaghetti, or maybe frappuccino, milk tea, ice cream, or any food that you know to yourself you can't resist to have. For me, it's rice. I'm a Filipino and we are big rice eater. We eat rice just about every meal. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, even dessert. I used to eat 2 to 4 cups of rice a meal. So as a food sacrifice, I avoided rice for a year and a half. In my personal experience, cutting down one food sacrifice can help you be disciplined with food. Because if you are able to control your food indulgence, it will be easy peasy to control any food. So less chance to overfeed yourself. Know your portion. Have a balanced food plate. Familiarize with how much is enough and how much is too much. They said the ideal plating is 1/2 fruit or vegetable, 1/4 protein, and 1/4 starch. But of course, that depends on your day-to-day activities. How much food do you need to get energy and do those activities? Divide, eat, and decide. Divide your meal and eat half. And when you're done, stop. Stop for a few minutes and then decide. Decide if you already are full or still hungry for more food. It takes minutes for the brain to recognize if you are already full or not. So stopping and deciding will give you a chance to know if you already had enough or not. Eat when you're hungry, stop when you're full. Only feed yourself if you're really hungry. Maybe you are not really hungry, maybe you are just thirsty. It doesn't mean you can still eat, you should. Don't overfeed yourself. Eat slowly, not fast. This is not just for your finesse. Take time to slow down and savor your food. The faster you eat, the more food that you consume. So more food consumption means more calories to burn. And if you don't burn those calories, you have chance for weight gain. Drink water before eating. Drinking water before you start a meal can make you half full, so less chance for you to overfeed yourself on the actual meal. Having water is the best way to get full even before you start a meal. Because water is good. Water flushes out toxins out of your body. Have dinner before 6 p.m. or 3 hours before you sleep. During those times, coming from a busy day, maybe from school or work, you have low energy to do activities. and burn some calories. And when you're asleep, you don't burn much calories. So eat before 6 p.m. or 3 hours before you sleep. Give time to fully digest your food. Avoid eating with distraction. Distraction like eating while watching TV or movie, eating while playing a game, eating while having a chit-chat with your friends, or any activity that you are not mindful to your food portion. Because time runs fast when you're having fun. So for less distraction, focus and choose. Are you gonna eat first or do the activity? Use smaller plate. It's a psychology thing. It's a matter of conditioning your mind to eat just what's enough. And it's less guilty to have one full small plate than just portions of a large plate. Just make sure you don't eat on many small plates. Brush your teeth after every meal. Yes, we are told to brush our teeth every after meal. Brush your teeth 3 times a day. But this time, this is not just for hygienic purposes. Brushing your teeth right after meal can help you curb your cravings to eat more and stop you to overfeed yourself. So who doesn't like food on their freshly brushed teeth? So if someone offers you more food, you can always say, I just brushed my teeth. Eat with your non-superior hand. It's like writing. If you are left-handed, it's not easy to write with your right hand. And if you are right-handed, it's not easy to write with your left hand. So if you are left-handed, eat with your right hand. If you are right-handed, eat with your left hand. Eating with your non-superior hand can help you not to eat superior to. Chew a gum. Sometimes we eat because we are bored, not because we are hungry. One of the best ways to kill that boredom is to chew a gum. Chewing a gum is another way to control your appetite and reduce your cravings to eat more food. Just make sure your chewing gums are sugar-free or less sugar.